Hello everybody and welcome to another review. This review is actually a bit special because it is the debut of a new era of audio. I recently purchased a decent microphone, so this time you haven't got any background noise or anything weird like that. So what we're trying to do here at Virus Reviewers is try and really pump up the quality of your videos, so hopefully that will make your experience a lot better. Today we'll be testing GeS Wall. If I just open up IE9 here, I got a little page here showing what it does. It prevents keyloggers, rootkits and backdoors, confidential file closures, targeted intrusions, malicious software infections, independent of attack techniques, and yeah, it's easy to use. It doesn't look that easy to use. Looks very basic. It doesn't rely on signatures. It only uses HIPS technology. So we'll see how it goes. Resource usage. That's one. That is one. Another one here, so that's 8. So all up about, I'd say 11 megs. Maybe that one as well. So it's quite light, and well, I think we better get straight into this review. Okay, so I'm just opening up Internet Explorer, and of course it uses HIPS technology, so it will ask you quite a lot of things to do with letting things go. So the thing I love about this program is that everything is sandboxed. So you'll notice this little G icon here, and if you go here you can change all of this, which is really cool. So what it relies on is it relies on its ability to use heuristics. So it doesn't use signatures, like I said, so this is going to be a very good sort of test. So that first link didn't work, which is a bit of a shame. Next link. Hopefully we'll have a bit of luck with some links today. Most of these links seem to be dead. Nope. I might have to get some more links at the end of this video, so just about 3 minutes into this video, so no. Oh, these are terrible. I hate it when I get a review with no really bad links. Alright, so this is basically a sort of like a rogue sort of thing. So we've got GeS4 and it seems to be running. So as you can see, we have a fake pop-up in Windows Internet Explorer, and of course this simulates what your control panel on my computer looks like. So obviously it's a load of things. So yeah, so obviously what it's trying to do is it's trying to download viruses. So anyway, we'll let that load because it's quite fun to watch those things destroy your computer. And I want to see what this can do at it, because that will also give me some more links, because it will analyze the system. So if we go remove all, I think that's the same link. So I'm going to run this. So this is a virus. It's a rogue. While that's loading, we'll grab our next link here. Best antivirus 2011. Yeah, I'm surprised the internet doesn't block these. Alright, I'm actually using Nod32 at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause the video and disable IMON, which will prevent this from popping up. So I'll be right back. Sorry for this, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. I just disabled that. As you can see, my Nod32, the old version, EMON and IMON I just disabled, so that's pretty good. So I'm going to run this program in the virtual machine, and it'll be very interesting to see what happens here, because doesn't seem to be anything running. So if we have a look at applications, or on resources, isolated, so I'm not very sure on how to use this program, but I presume that this will do something. So I think it isolates everything, so it might be running in the background, which is good to see. Alright, so I'm running this. So it's got this huge log here, and it's giving access to this all these files. So it can obviously do some things, but it can't obviously create a massive problem. Alright, so what's happened is I have an open CMD, or command prompt, but obviously when viruses try to infect your computer, they immediately try to send a code through the computer which causes obvious damage. So it will be very interesting to see if it actually does isolate these programs. So what I'm on here is I'm on the summary, and this is today, so it's isolated 8 applications. So if we go applications, system, you got all of these processes here, and here they all are. And then if you go back to the summary, it's obviously restricted some operations, which is very, very good. So it's amazing what viruses and rootkits and backdoors and exploit kits can actually do. To dead link, I think I'll use all of my backups. Whoops. Okay. This is an obvious virus. It's a flash player. Obviously a rogue of some sort. just trying to hijack your computer. Create a new tab. Oh dear. What's this? Alright, so we got a bit of a risky download coming up here. And our last one. There we go, so I'll run that one. And I'll see what I can do actually. So obviously it can isolate this program so it doesn't cause any damage, which is the whole point of all of these hip technology sort of programs, which is really cool. So I'm just fiddling around with some of the controls here. Got this one right here. We'll run this and we'll see what it can do. So if we have a look in Task Manager, as you can see we have a load of processes which are, you got fake CMD here. Alright, okay, so what we have here is we have a load of thingies popping up, which obviously in GeS Wall's mind believes that these are problems. So it's isolated or restricted 9 attacks, which is quite good, considering we have all of these links. So what I'm going to do is, because we have all of these viruses in the memory, if I scan with Malwarebytes or whatever other program I use, it will pick those up. So in order to get rid of those, I'm going to run a scan with CCleaner, because if you look in the Task Manager, these are viruses running in our memory, but what this program is designed to do is to make sure that they do not, commit crimes on your computer. So what I've got to do is I've got to delete these processes. Instead of just going mprocess, I'm going to let CCleaner do it for me. So I'll pause the video and I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. Scan was very quick, about a minute quicker than most of my other ones. So we've got 3 infected objects, and what we're going to have a look here is we've got Trojan spy eyes, and they're pretty dangerous. They are, let's find it, it's in the C drive, and it is here somewhere. So if we go tools, folder options, view, and show hidden files and folders, and it should load, and this, which is obviously a virus. So this was downloaded, and what we're doing here is isolating this. So we're running the virus, but GeS War is obviously taking care of that. It's not letting our system become infected. So we've obviously got a virus lurking about, but with an antivirus program and this program combined, you would have a very solid sort of system, because it uses the HIPS technology, and you'd also have what are they called? Cloud and signatures, that's the word. So I think it did very well. I give it a 9 out of 10. I think they could improve on the design and maybe the user interface and how easy it is to use, but other than that, it did its job. So that's it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.